In this video, we'll guide you through the process of formatting your book for paperback and Kindle ebook distribution through KDP and Ingram Spark. Book formatting is the process of preparing your manuscript for print and digital publication. It involves setting up the layout, font, and spacing to create a professional-looking book. We'll cover the basics of book formatting, including choosing the right font and font size, setting up margins and spacing, adding headers and footers, and creating a table of contents. KDP Kindle Direct Publishing is Amazon's self-publishing platform. To format your paperback book for KDP, you'll need to set up your book in a Word document or text file, choose a trim size and paper type, add a cover design, and upload your book to KDP. Formatting your ebook for KDP involves converting your manuscript to HTML, adding formatting and styling, creating a table of contents, and uploading your ebook to KDP. To format your book for Ingram Spark, set up your book in a PDF file, choose a trim size and paper type, add a cover design, and upload your book to Ingram Spark. In the final section, we'll share some tips and best practices for book formatting to help you create a polished final product for publication. That's it. With these tips and guidelines, you'll be able to format your book for paperback and Kindle ebook distribution through KDP and Ingram Spark. Remember to keep your formatting clean, clear, and consistent. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks.